What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sybil Unique, and this is the evolution of you. So in today's video, we're going to be doing my hair. Simple wash and go. So I just washed my hair. It actually dried a little bit, so that's how I like to start doing my hair. I let it air dry a little bit, and we're just gonna get right into it. So the first project I like to use is this Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. So your wash and go needs to be moisturized. If it's not moisturized, it's not gonna look good. It's not gonna come out good. It's gonna come out frizzy, and that's not what we want. We want moisture. We want it to look good. So I start off with this. And I'm not cheap when it comes to using products. So there we go. I have to get rough with it, cause you know we running out. We running out. All right. So Camille Rose Moisture Milk. So much I put on about one side. About one side. Okay. Because I'm not cheap with the products. At the end of the day, I usually do my own hair. So if all I gotta do is buy hair products, that's okay. I'm okay with that. All right. So we're going all the way through with this. I like to make sure I'm getting the back, the sides, because sometimes like my front be looking cute, and then my sides and my back is dry. So yeah, so that was one side. Let's do the other side. Okay, what am I gonna put on the other side? Okay, we're getting up in there. We're getting up in there. Okay, we're getting up in there. And put some on your roots. Not a lot, because you don't want your hair like way down. But put some on your roots, darling. Okay, I think we got it. And mind you, I'm like still losing hair. So my hair is coming out as we do this. But you know, we're going to work through that. And if you haven't saw my last video when I was talking about how I grew my hair back, because honey, my edges was gone, okay? So make sure you watch that last video and we could get into that about this hair loss thing I got going on. But it's okay. It's growing back. Okay, so we done with the Camille Rose. Thanks, Camille. You did what you had to do. Thanks, girl. Okay, next thing. This is the styler. So we did the moisture. Now we do the styling. So this is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator. I like this new product they have going on. I also got the mousse, but we're going to get into that later. So this is the styler. This is going to get my curls curling. Okay. So we're going to use some of this. And, you know, like I said, I'm not cheap. We don't overdo it, but, you know, I know how much to put in my hair. But this is enough for both sides. So, we're going to get into it a little bit. Okay. And then you could just feel it just coating your hair. I actually need to get a brush. I didn't bring out a brush in this scenario. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm going to make sure I brush it before we put in the mousse. But first, just like, you know, put it through with your hands. Okay. Get it up in there. Get it up in there. Like I said, roots, darling. Roots, darling. Okay. Get it up in there. I'm feeling this. It's feeling like coated. I'm feeling like it's coated. Okay. Now you're gonna have to 1 second. Let me get a brush. Okay, y'all. We got the brush. So Who remembers when I was selling this brush? That's old school, old school, old school. Not old school, but a few years ago I had my hair care line and I was selling brushes and stuff. But I had to stop because of my career was taking off. But we're going to get back to that, ladies. We're going to get back to that. But back with the brush. So we're going to brush it, making sure that the product is up in there. Okay? Now, that product look like it's up in there. And I don't feel like it was overdone with product. And this is why I like to dry my hair a little bit, or let it air dry a little bit before I put products, because when it's soaking wet, sometimes it's be giving weird. Like, it be doing weird stuff to my hair. Like, it just, the product, I feel like the products is just watered down when you do it like that. So let your hair air dry a little bit before you just start throwing stuff in it. Okay, so this is what we looking like, okay? So, with my hair, I have a little bit of damage and all that, so we're going to scrunch it up before we even get to this mousse, okay? All right, so we got all our brush through. So, it's feeling good, looking good. We're going to get our mousse. I like this mousse. This is like my favorite mousse, like, for like curling your hair or like using in the wash and go. Like, it's lit. So 3 pounds and I'll swirl. Just kidding. But yeah, 3 pounds, that did nothing. That just got the little back piece right there. I need more. I need more. Give me more. Give me. Okay. Oh yeah. It's feeling good. Like, I could just feel my hair. Like, I'm not even doing this in the mirror. Like, I could just feel when the product is saturated, up in there. Like, it's up in there. I feel it. It's up in there. Okay. A little bit more. 3 more pumps. Let's get this front. So, if you notice, I did it in like 4 sections. I did the back. I did the front, and I'm about to do the other back. So on one side of the back, the other side of the back, and that side. So we about to get into it. And guys, I'm thinking about cutting my hair for the summer. Like, just starting over. Like, doing a really short, like, probably up to my chin. I want a fro. I want a little fro. And plus, like, with my hair falling out and growing back, it's like, it's growing back, right? So it's like, it feels thick up here and like straggly down here. So it's just like, I might as well just cut it. It's gonna grow back, and then we could do that hair growth journey. Ooh, that's gonna be so much fun. So thinking about it. Huge possibility, because like this hair is just, yeah. Okay. So we're gonna brush this through now. Oh, we good. Now for the blow drying. All right, y'all. So we got the blow dryer. So I got this blow dryer from Amazon. It's my fake Dyson, and I love it. And you're not gonna talk about it, and I'm not gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about how I'm about to blow dry my hair. Any blow dryer works. Make sure you got a diffuser on the end, and let's go. I like to do mine on. That was rude. I like to do mine on high, and then you know, cool it down some, like press the little cool button. So this is, we're gonna freestyle on this. I'm not the best diffuser, just I just what I need to do. So I'm gonna diffuse my hair, and I'll be back. Y'all, I'm not about to be blow drying my hair all day. This is the best we got. It's almost dry. The rest can air dry. Okay, you get the point. Cause I don't do that. I don't blow dry my hair till it's dry. I don't got time for that. Especially not no curly hair. Not about to do that. It can air dry. So we got the gist of it. So my secret weapon, right here. Okay, The Miracle Curls Curl Defining Oil. A curl defining oil. Yes. A curl defining oil is lit. So this is from Aussie. And then like 3 pumps over here. Look at that glow. Look at that moisture. Yes. 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 I'm feeling this. Get them ends, girl. Alright, we're gonna do the other side. And this also breaks up like any area here gets a little hard from the mousse or anything. It breaks up a lot as well, while also giving it a glow. Get them roots. I know you've seen these edges a little bit, you know. And that is it. The rest of it gonna air dry. It's gonna even out. I feel like this side is more wet than this side, but you know, we did what we had to do. So we're gonna look at this. Don't look at it. Okay, and now I'm gonna put my little drops in for my little balding I got going on. But yeah, you see what I'm talking about? You kind of see it when it's dry, that like it's like my hair is thicker up here. I guess it's from now hair loss, regrowth kind of thing. Like, so it's thicker up here, and then it's like a little straggly down here. Like, I don't need the shrag. Like, I don't need this, but you know, it's okay. This is what we got for today. I'm about to go to work, and we're just gonna make it work. So, all to say, yeah, this is what it is. So, those are products I'm using right now. I'm very happy with them. They do what they need to do. For me, this is low maintenance because I used to do the most with my wash and go. So, this is low maintenance for me. So, this is what I like. So, make sure you comment your products that you're using for your wash and go and what you absolutely love right now. But these are my products, and that's about it. So, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.